Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Dear students, we are discussing JEE Maths troubleshooting. Okay, I am solving difficulties asked by some of brilliant students. And the topic is inverse trigonometric functions. Today's problem is if x1, x2, x3, x4 are the roots of the equation x raised to 4 minus x cube sine 2 theta plus x square cos 2 theta minus x cos theta minus sine theta equals to 0, then tan inverse x1 plus tan inverse x2 plus tan inverse x3 plus tan inverse x4 equals, they have given the choices. Okay, now first of all, see, roots are x1, x2, x3, x4. So we can take x as x1, x as x2, x as x3 and x as x4. In that case, x minus x1 will be equal to 0, x minus x2 will be equal to 0, x minus x3 will be equal to 0, x minus x4 will be equal to 0. So their multiplication also will be 0. So in bracket x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2 in multiplied by x minus x3 multiplied by x minus x4 equals to 0. Expanding these two bracket first, so it will be x square minus xx2 minus xx1 plus x1 x2. Similarly here, x square minus xx4 minus xx3 plus x3 x4 equals to 0. Again expanding, so it will be x raised to 4 minus x cube x4. Okay, but again x raised to 4 minus x cube, okay, x cube x4, then here minus, okay, x cube x3, then here, okay, plus x square x3 x4, then this multiplication, okay, minus x2 into x square, that is minus x cube x2, then here minus minus plus, okay, x square x2 x4. Similarly here minus minus plus x square x2 x3, okay, minus x x2 x3 x4, okay, then here, okay, so it will be minus x cube x1 minus minus plus, that will be x square x1 x4 minus minus plus, that will be x square x1 x3, okay, and then this, okay, so it will be minus x x1 x3 x4, okay, here, now here x square plus x square x1 x2 minus x x1 x2 x4, then here, okay, minus x x1 x2 x3, then here plus x1 x2 x3 x4 equals to 0. In short, I have expanded the brackets. Okay, now if I again rewriting it like this, okay, x raised to 4 minus x cube, then it will be x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus, minus x cube, then in bracket x4 plus x3 plus x2 plus x1, okay, then considering x square as common, okay, then if I take x square common here, it will be x3 x4 plus x2 x4 plus x2 x3 plus x1 x4 plus x1 x3 plus x1 x2. Now taking minus x as common, okay, minus x as common here, so minus x is taken common, so x2 x3 x4 plus here x1 x3 x4 plus x1 x2 x4 plus x1 x2 x3, bracket completed, plus x1 x2 x3 x4 equals to 0. Now if I compare this equation with the given equation, okay, then the coefficient of x cube is minus sine 2 theta. So here it is x4 plus means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equals to sine 2 theta. Coefficient of cos x square is cos 2 theta. So here it is x3 x4 plus x2 x4 plus x2 x3 plus x1 x4 plus x1 x3 plus x1 x2 equals to cos 2 theta. Coefficient of minus x is cos theta. So here it is x2 x3 x4 plus x1 x3 x4 plus x1 x2 x4 plus x1 x2 x3 equals to cos theta. And the last term, that is x1 x2 x3 x4 equals to minus sin theta. Okay, so now we have to find out this value, tan inverse x1 plus tan inverse x2 plus tan inverse x3 plus tan inverse x4 can be written as, in one bracket we will consider tan inverse x1 plus tan inverse x2, and in other bracket we will consider plus of tan inverse x3 plus tan inverse x4. So this will be formula, tan inverse of x1 plus x2 upon 1 minus x1 x2 plus tan inverse of x3 plus x4 upon 1 minus x3 x4. Again, this is alpha for us, this beta for us. So tan inverse of alpha plus tan inverse of beta equals to tan inverse of alpha plus beta upon 1 minus alpha beta. So can be written as tan inverse of x1 plus x2 upon 1 minus x1 x2 plus x3 plus x4 upon 1 minus x3 x4 upon 1 minus product of these two. Okay, now just simplify. Okay, multiply this and this, multiply this and this. Denominator, the this product will be cancelled in numerator and denominator. Okay, taking in short LCM. Okay, so see here, this product is minus x1 x3 x4, this with this. Okay, then this. Okay, minus x2 x3 x4. Okay, then plus x1 plus x2. Then here, okay, plus x3 plus x4 minus x1 x2 x3 minus x1 x2 x4 divided by product of these two will be 1 minus x3 x4 minus x1 x2 plus x1 x2 x3 x4 minus x1 x3, okay, minus x2 x3, okay, minus x1 x4 and minus x2 x4. Okay, so we can write like this. See, okay, equals to tan inverse of, okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 minus of this, okay, x1 x3 x4 plus x2 x3 x4 plus x1 x2 x3 plus x1 x2 x4 divided by, here it is 1 minus, okay, product of these all six terms are there, x3 x4 plus x1 x2 plus x1 x3 plus x1 x4 plus x2 x3 plus x2 x4, okay, plus x1 x2 x3 x4. So replacing this, tan inverse of, we know that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 was sin 2 theta minus this bracket had value cos theta upon 1 minus this bracket had value cos 2 theta, and this x1 x2 x3 x4 minus sin theta. Okay, so now it is tan inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos theta upon, we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, okay, minus sin theta. So that is equals to tan inverse of 2, cos theta is taken common. So it is 2 sin theta minus 1 divided by sin theta is taken common, it is 2 sin theta minus 1. So that will be equal to tan inverse of cot theta. Can be written as tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus theta. We know that pi by 2 minus theta is in range of tan inverse, that is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it is pi by 2 minus theta. So the answer is A. Okay, bye.